Fire isn't chaos, it's control when you understand it. However, you don't dominate fire, you work with it.
Hi guys, I'm Chris Shem with That Griller Guy, where everything is crafted over coals, guided by fire, and served with a pour of bourbon. I started cooking a few years ago as a way to relieve stress from my day job as an orthopedic trauma nurse practitioner. Stressful, heavy, emotional. I needed my outlet. Cooking and cooking over fire brought that to me. But you know what? Over time, it became more than just an escape. I began to push myself, to learn, to experiment, to refine, to really see what I can do over coals and flame. Through all this, I've had some amazing experiences. I've cooked with incredible people. I've cooked on my local TV show. I've cooked on Food Network's NFL Tailgate Takedown, and I won. I've cooked with members of the Green Bay Packers. I've managed to do some awesome events. I work with some of the best companies in the world that share my passion for live fire cooking. And now, I want to share what I've learned with you.
This channel is about live fire cooking, real technique, controlling heat, building flavor from the fire up. It's not just how to cook, but why each step matters, including cutting steak against the grain. And most of all, helping you become confident cooking at home.
So if you're ready to understand fire and use that understanding to help make better food, well, you're in the right place. Well, there you have it, guys. I'm Chris Shem with That Griller Guy. Until next time, keep those fires lit and those pours steady.